Hey, welcome to episode 192 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about identity theft. I need you guys to understand identity theft fully. I also have a link down below to a company called Aura. They have a 14-day free trial that you guys can actually use to see if you guys have any fraud on your account, and they actually protect you against fraud. So the next few episodes is going to be about identity theft. So, because this is a big thing. If you guys have identity theft, it can really ruin your life. So the next one is going to be about it to make sure that we're avoiding this and we're staying on top of everything. So first off, you guys need to know what identity theft is. And the definition is identity theft involves the unauthorized use of someone else's personal information, such as their social security number, credit card details, or even a bank account information to commit fraud or other crimes. So there is different types of it. You got financial identity theft. That's when somebody open up credit card accounts, make purchases, or take out loans. You got medical identity theft. That's when someone obtain medical services or prescriptions, and that's in your name also. Criminal identity theft is when someone is arrested or involved in criminal activities. And then tax identity theft, when someone else has used social security number to file fraudulent tax returns or claim refunds. Now, you guys need to know how this stuff can occur. It can happen through data breaches, maybe maybe like a company, your information, like you had AT&T and somebody hacked AT&T, it got your information. Maybe it's a phishing scam. They got fraudulent emails, texts, or calls, and then you end up giving out some of your personal information, or they end up getting information that way. Skimming, maybe they're trying to capture credit card information during certain transactions. Some people even dumpster dive. Some people also steal your mail. So you got mail theft. And then you guys have to understand that when it comes down to all these different identity thefts, you may not even think it's even happening. So you guys need to know like the different signs of identity theft. So if you guys see unexpected change to your credit report, maybe you have a new account that you don't even know about, strange transaction, maybe you're getting collection notice and you're like, I don't even ever remember this. You guys have to look into that. Maybe you got issues. Maybe the IRS is talking to you about unfiled tax returns or some discrepancies in your tax returns, or you have some unusual medical bills. You like, I never did this. Those are the different things that you guys definitely have to look at. Now, the steps to actually protecting yourself. I told you guys, get the Aura trial. It's 14 days free. It's a free trial. Go in there and see exactly what they offer. They have so much that can help you through this process. Make sure you guys have your personal information secured. You have secure password. If Apple say you need to change your password, change it. I get that a lot. I know you guys are getting it a lot too, since your password has been compromised. Change it. Make sure you guys freeze your credit reports. Check your accounts regularly, like your banks, credit cards, your credit reports. Just check these accounts regularly, and be cautious when you're purchasing anything online. Be cautious and beware of some scams. Like, know when there is a scam. Now, if you guys do find out that you have identity theft, what I want you guys to do is report it to the FTC, contact the credit bureaus, and notify any law enforcement, like just basically file a police report, and then dispute any fraudulent accounts with the creditors or institutions, and just make sure that you're monitoring your account together. And last but not least, we have to talk about recovering. So make sure you guys correct any errors that's in your credit reports. Follow up about any fraudulent activity being removed. So make sure that you're restored to your pre-theft status, and then stay vigilant. Stay vigilant. So if you guys sign up for that 14-day free trial with Aura, when you see that there is things there that shouldn't be there, make sure you guys do something about it. Make sure you guys contact them. They can actually help you through the process. Now let's go over to episode 193. And then I also want to show you my website. So let's check that out. Now, for those people this is your first time watching my videos, I definitely want to show you all my website. So on my website, I have a lot of stuff that's catering to those people that need to build their credit, who don't have credit at all, or if you need to repair your credit, or if you're just looking to maybe just get higher limits. You don't necessarily need to build it. You just want higher limit credit cards, or whatever it is when it comes down to credit cards and like the negative accounts in your credit. That is what I cater to on my website. Now, you guys can schedule a call on my website. You can see if I have any upcoming events I'm doing. You can do a home buying application if you would like me to help you purchase a home, and also home tours. Check out some of the home tours that I did. If you guys have any negative accounts on your credit report, such as charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, I do have a dispute letter that you can use here. It's free. I do have a dispute letter that you all can download so that you guys can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. Now, you have to get this letter and send it to all 3 credit bureaus, or send it to whatever credit bureau is reporting that account. So definitely come to my website. Once you fill out this, you guys will get an email, and then also I'll send you something about how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. If you have negative accounts and you want to actually target them, such as you got late payments, student loans, collections, charge off, bankruptcies, then I have dispute letter packages. These letters have 6 letters in it, and the bankruptcy is the only one that have the 4. But this is the letters. These are letters that you guys can use to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. In a little bit, though, I'll show you how you can possibly get this at a discounted rate. Also, utilization sheets. I always show people how to balance out their credit cards, and I have a utilization sheet here where you can track all your credit cards. You can know what your utilization is, and it's going to actually help you pay down your credit cards. If you guys have balances on your credit cards, you need to know how to actually pay it down, which ones to pay down first. This sheet would be great for you all. If you guys are looking to possibly get more hands-on help, you would like to talk to me, you want more access to me, then I do suggest that you guys get my membership. I make sure I take calls for those people that's in my membership as a priority. I do have one where you start with a dollar trial, and that is going to be $79 per month. And then also have one for $99, and then it's going to be $29 per month. Or you can get lifetime access for $599. So definitely, if you want to get more hands-on help, and then also I can email you your letters that you can actually mail, and then I also can mail them for free on my end. Definitely join the membership if you want more hands-on help. Now, this right here is like my favorite part. It's the credit cards. I have multiple lists of credit cards here. So if you're looking for just the top credit cards that I like, I have that list here. If you want to pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, I have this here. So you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry. And this would have over 45 accounts. Since this is my favorite list, because I love to pre-qualify for things without that hard inquiry, I want to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So you'll see a video of whatever card it is, an image of that card, apply now, so you can go ahead and apply on a website, and also have a free downloadable guide, and I have information about the card, and it's going to repeat for multiple cards, so you can see which ones you definitely like, which ones are going to help you in your journey of building your credit, or even whatever credit you want to get. Now, I have multiple lists: bad credit, students, travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. I have multiple ones there. I also have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. The webinar, you can just click directly on here, and you will be able to, again, if you already did those free disputes, because this is the thing I said, the 60 points in 60 days, the webinar that you can watch. If you already did that, once you put your information in here, you should go all the way back to the actual webinar. Now, a lot of people love this part, 6 months of free letters. I can actually do your letters for you, 6 months worth of them, and I can actually email them to you and fill out all your information. All you have to do is literally put them in an envelope and mail them. So I definitely have that for you. If you want the 6 months of free letters, this is something that you have to do if you want me to create the letters for you. First off, you have to get our mega dispute letter package. All that is all of the letters that's here. Like all these packages, you get bankruptcy, charge off, collections, student loans, and late payments. You get all of these together in one. You're going to get the free letter that's here, plus you're going to get additional letters, all of that. And I believe the original price is $199, but you're getting 65% off of that. I think it comes like $67, $69. So definitely you have to purchase the mega dispute letter package. Do a 14-day trial with Aura so we can see if you guys have any type of fraud on your account. You need to be able to know if you had any type of data breaches. So definitely sign up for Aura, and all the links are here. So you can just click right here or click here. It doesn't matter. But definitely do step 2. And then step 3 is get your all 3 credit reports by Identity IQ. And it's a $1 trial for 7 days. And that's going to give us your credit report so that we can create the actual dispute letters for you. And then also the last, second to last step is to actually complete the application. That's what's going to give us the personal information I need to put on your letters. So definitely complete the application. And then once you have made your purchase, reach out to us so that we can see if you're eligible for the free letter service. But as long as you did all 4 of these steps, you're definitely eligible for it. And then I have a lot of different blog posts on here about the different credit 101, home buying 101 is going to come next. So definitely check out the website, Rickita.com. I will be editing the website soon, but this is what it looks like now. If you guys are interested in any credit card, you guys can definitely use this search bar here. And then also, if you're on your computer, then you can search. Actually, if you're a member already, you can search right here. I got special things for people that's a part of my actual membership. So if they want me to send certified letters, pay past due bills, schedule a call, for free credit help, sign up. Again, here are the steps that you need to actually do. So yeah, that's what you'll do if you guys are a member. Or say if you want a specific credit card you want to look up, just search whatever that credit card is, and you can see if I made some type of review on it. So here's the Apple card here. I'm going to click on it. Scroll down, you can see I got the video, the card here, apply now, free downloadable guide. And then I also have some people that actually got approved for the credit card. I have some other reviews here. But I hope that you guys love this website and you're able to find more credit cards to get approved for. You start working to build your credit and you get exactly what you want out of your credit. And last thing I want to say about my wonderful website is if you like a certain credit card, at the bottom, I'll have similar cards. These are the cards to me that's similar to the Apple card. So you can see I have similar ones down here. So you can go ahead and actually click on it and go to that next credit card. So this is the cashback card. And you can see other people say that they got approved for it. So I hope that you guys love this website. You can go into a rabbit hole looking at all the different things that's on this website. But I hope that you guys love it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.